Getting fresh blood and oxygen moving and flowing throughout our bodies can be one of the best and most effective things that we could do first thing in the morning. Our whole mind and bodies run off blood and oxygen. So by replacing the stagnant blood and oxygen that's been sitting there overnight with some fresh blood and oxygen, that's what's going to really be having us performing and feeling our best, not only physically but mentally as well. So this is just a quick morning movement routine that I do pretty much every single day that really gets me going and feeling my best. With this routine, I highly recommend getting down on the ground, following along with me, and even repeating this almost on a daily basis. Most of the times before I start my movement, I actually do about 3 to 5 rounds of Wim Hof breathing. I actually already did that and I have many videos on that, so I'll just get right into the movement. So the first thing I like to do is just start sitting down crisscross applesauce and just start connecting with my breath and just set a quick intention of what I'm wanting to get out of this practice. And then you can grab one side, take a deep breath in, raise one hand all the way up. Deep breath in and expand. And then exhale and let it fall and release. And then switch on to the other side. Deep breath in and expand. And then let it fall and release. Deep breath in. And let it fall and release. And then I'll go right into on my stomach. Take a deep breath in and a mini cobra. And fall and release. And you really want to connect your breath with your movement. And then I'll move over to the side so you can see me better. And take a deep breath in and go into the downward dog. And then as you exhale, you want to squeeze in your core like the cat version of the cat-cow. So deep breath in. And get 2 to 3 of those. Now deep breath in and raise one foot as high as you can. Squeeze in that glute, exhale, and bring it all the way in between your hands. Deep breath in, straighten out that front foot, and then exhale, then release. Deep breath in, raise those toes, and then exhale and release. Now deep breath in and point the same foot that is down up towards the sky and turn that spine. Get a couple nice nutritious breaths here. And if you're feeling a little bit advanced, you could even take a deep breath in and try to raise. Squeeze in that glute and try to have your ankle right over your knee. And then come back to that downward dog. Deep breath in, raise your other foot. And then exhale, bring it right in between. Deep breath in, straighten out that front leg. And then deep breath in and raise those toes. Now deep breath in, turn your other hand to the sky. And grab a couple nice breaths here. Then I like to go right into that squat sit. This is actually one of the best human being positions that you could be in. It's actually a human being resting position. So when we're in this position, we're actually relaxing or loosening up all the muscles that are too tight. And this movement actually helps rebalance and recenter our whole posture and everything from our lower back down. So just by sitting in this position, take about 10 nice deep breaths, focus on expanding through your stomach, and then exhale and relaxing and releasing. And then we want to go right into our cat-cow position. And this is gonna be so good just to put in that blood and oxygen right into our spines. And our spine is really so important, that connects to every single part in our body. So by really making sure our spine is healthy is gonna do amazing things to make sure our whole body is healthy. So we all know the typical cat-cow, and you can either put your toes on the ground or feet flat, that's up to you. But take a deep breath in, and then exhale and curl everything forward. Let's get about 3 to 5. And then what I like to do is I'll put my feet together, spread my knees out as wide as I can, sit back a little bit, few deep breaths here. And this one here is one of my favorites because I always seem to get a really good pop in my lower back. I take my right hand, tuck it under and reach as far as I can. Take a deep breath in, and then reach all the way behind you. Ooh. Another deep breath, and release. Now we can go to the other side. Good. Come back up, put your feet together. And you can have your toes here, and then just sit up nice and tall, and nice, say about 3 to 5 deep breaths. So we're stretching our feet, we're stretching our quads. Focus on nice deep breaths through the stomach. And then we're gonna stand up. I gotta adjust the camera real quick. So we're gonna bring the camera here so you can see me standing up. And then take a deep breath in. Exhale. Let's do it 3 more times. Reach as high as you can. Exhale. 2 more. And then exhale. Take a deep breath in. Good. And then what most people don't know is actually turning and spinning your spine can be one of the best and healthiest things that we can do. By turning our spine, we're gonna wring out all of our internal organs and just squeeze out all that stagnant blood and oxygen and replace it with the good, fresh, nutritious stuff. So what I like to do is reach out as far as I can and then just spin behind me and then go back and forth. Sometimes you get a nice few cracks in your back. Make sure you're gripping with your feet. You can even get a few slaps. And continue to breathe as deep as you possibly can. Alright guys, that is a quick little morning movement routine, which I challenge you to actually do this routine for the next 7 to 14 days so you can really feel and notice the impact that it's going to have on your life. You can also share this video with a friend and do this with them to try to keep each other accountable. Sometimes that really helps to make sure that you're getting through the complete challenge. And of course, it's always good to just help bring your friends up as well. If you like the athletic pants that I was wearing in this video, I actually had a huge part in designing these with Corsa Racewear, and I'll leave a link in the description below where you can actually get them for a discount, along with a few other discount codes as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped, please give it a big old thumbs up, and of course don't forget to check out my website at www.thewillgrant.com. Thanks and see you soon.